All right, so guys, this here is problem number 1 out of 3.1, and it says match each equation from column 1 with the description of the parabola that it's graph in column 2. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to write the general form or the vertex form of a quadratic function. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so it's a k. Okay, so y equals a, x minus h squared plus k. So first thing is, remember, the vertex is always going to be the point h and k. So if you take a notice here we have a minus h, here we just have h. Here we have a plus k, we just have k here. So what that means is whatever number you have here, if it's a minus, you're going to change the sign to a plus, and if it's a plus, you're going to change it to a minus. The last number, the sign stays exactly the same. And then for the number a, if the number a is positive, then the graph opens up. And if the number a is negative, then the graph opens down, right? So just to give you a heads up here, remember this is a is bigger than 0. What kind of numbers are bigger than 0? Positive numbers, right? And a over here is less than 0. What kind of numbers are less than 0? Negative. All right, so if I look at problem number 7 here, right? And it says y equals x plus 8 squared plus 4. So I'm going to do a little stare and compare. I'm going to say, okay, look, the number that's on the inside of the parentheses, I need to change the sign, so that's going to be a negative 8. The last number stays the same, so there's my vertex. The number a is the number right in front of those parentheses. And since that number a is the number positive 1, it's positive, so the graph's going to open up, right? So then I would say negative 8, 4 opens up. It would be this one right there, okay? I'm going to do the same thing for number 8. I'm going to look at this part here. So remember, the first number on the inside, the sign's going to change, negative 4. The second number stays the same. If I look at the number in front of my parentheses, it's negative. So since it's negative, my graph's going to open down. So I'm going to say, okay, where is negative 4, 8 opening down? Oh, it's this one right here. Okay. And I'll do the same thing for number 9. I'm going to take a look at my vertex. Remember, the first number, I'm going to change the sign, so negative 8. Second number stays the same, positive 4. Since I have a negative there, this is going to open downward. So negative 8 and positive 4 opening down, it's this one right here. And then finally, the last one, first number, the sign's going to change, negative 4. Second number stays the same, positive 8. Since the number a, the number in front of those parentheses, is positive, it's a positive 1, the graph's going to open up, and it would obviously be this one right here. So anyway, this was question number 1 out of 3.1. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.